Lumens, your success, our focus.
This video shows you how to set up LC200 scheduling via Panopto Server. We'll guide you through the steps for how to set up LC200 scheduling via Panopto Server. First, you need to create a new registration key for LC200 on Panopto Server. Log in Panopto Server and go to System. Select Remote Recorders. Click Manage Registration Keys. Click Create a new registration key. Copy the registration token value. Next, log in LC200 webpage, and go to the Scheduler page. And select Scheduling via Panopto Server. Username and password required for sync up information and webcast on Panopto. If the user didn't input account information, it cannot get the description content and use the webcast feature from Panopto Server. It's still available to support schedule record service. Input registration key. Copy the Panopto Server URL and paste. Enable the setting and click Apply. Go to Backup. Select Backup type as Backup after recording. Change the mode to Panopto. Input Panopto Server URL as IP address. Input 443 as the port number. Input Panopto user account information, which is able to manage the file's upload process. Click Apply and Connection Test. Go to Panopto configuration page. Click Remote Recorder Device, which connected to LC200. And select Schedule, and click Schedule a recording. Enter related content and set up the scheduled date, time. Click Create and you can check the schedule status. Go to LC200 Scheduler page. Click the schedule icon and check schedule status, and you're all done. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.